Good snoring tips that anyone can try out. Many people are affected by snoring. You might be the snorer, or you might be the partner who can't sleep. Snoring can also cause marriage problems. Whether you snore or are tired of living with someone who snores, the information in the video below can help. If you or your partner snores, it could ruin your relationship. Everyone needs sleep, and a disturbance in the middle of the night can spoil the other person's sleep. At some point, you may decide to sleep separately. While this doesn't seem particularly romantic, many people do it, and their relationship doesn't suffer at all. If your bedmate is a chronic snorer, it may become necessary to make certain adjustments to your schedules. Ask your snoring partner to wait until you have already fallen asleep before coming to bed. This way, you can fall asleep quickly and may have a better chance of waking up being well rested the next day. Pregnant women, who discover that they snore, should consult a physician. Pregnant women do tend to snore because of the extra pressure, but you have to know that your snoring is not affecting the oxygen your baby is getting. See your doctor as soon as you can to rule out this life-threatening problem. Drinking alcohol too close to bedtime can result in snoring. This happens because alcohol tends to relax the throat muscles, which leads to tightened airways. As a result, snoring is more likely to occur. The best way to avoid snoring due to alcohol consumption is to stop drinking spirits at least 5 to 6 hours before bedtime. As stated, snoring is something that touches many people's lives. Thin walls are not able to block the sound of heavy snores. The knowledge provided in the above video can assist you in discovering a method of dealing with snoring so that you can have restful nights again. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.